Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this absolutely beautiful short coily bob wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the very quick and easy way I was able to install this beautiful wig. So this wig is from YG Hair Company. I'm going to put all the links and the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. So I'm going to show you guys how to install the wig. It's just a very quick install, and let me tell you, I am absolutely loving the wig. Like you guys can see that the coils right here on this wig are just something else. They are just popping like crazy. Like I am absolutely feeling this wig, and coupled with the fact that it's a short wig, I really love it, and it's easy to install. Like you don't really have to do anything. I use the got to be good gel on both sides of the front of the wig, but you don't even have to do that. I know if I want to go somewhere and I'm rushing, I don't need to do that because it's going to cover, so you just put it on and off you go. And as you can see, there's a side pattern right here, which is very nice. It's not a full lace front, which makes it easier for you to just install, and then just clip the band in the wig. You make sure you clip it to secure it very well, and you're good to go. I'm also going to show you guys how I was able to make the coils of this wig pop like it's popping like crazy. I am absolutely in love with this wig. It's short and it's very beautiful, and I love the result. I love the way it looks. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. So these are the items that came with the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on the remaining part of the lace. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So here I'm gonna take my Got Be Glued gel and I'm gonna apply it on the front part of the wig, and then I'm gonna spray my face spray. And then I'm going to dry with my blow dryer. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf and leave it to dry. So after some time, I'm going to go ahead and take out the scarf. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pluck my pattern area a little bit to make it more clearer. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to spray some water on the hair and then comb it with my fingers like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my oil, my heat protectant oil. Then I'm going to use my hot comb to lay the pattern area a little bit. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.